同学们好，大家好。现在我们开始第4星期数学课。在学习新课以前，让我们一起复习一下上个星期学习过的内容。上个星期我们学习了个位数和3位数的乘法。Now, finding the product. Always remember, we work from right to left. 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 Okay? This is quite important. Now, let's start. Number 1, 4 times 825. 4 times 5 equals 20. 0 stay, 2 goes up. 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 2 equals 10. 0 stay in the line, 1 goes up. 4 times 8, 32, plus 1, 33. The answer is 3,300. Number 2, 8 times 401. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 0 equals 0. 8 times 4 equals 32. The answer is 3,208. Number 3, 3 times 928. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 stay in the line, 2 goes up. 2 times 3 equals 6, plus 2 equals 8. 3 times 9 equals 27. The answer is 2,784. Number 4, 6 times 880. 6 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 8 equals 48. 8 stay in the line, 4 goes up. 6 times 8 equals 48, plus 4 equals 52. The answer is 5,280. Number 5, 1 times 903. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 9 equals 9. The answer is 903. Number 6, 6 times 814. 6 times 4 equals 24. 4 stay in the line, 2 goes up. 1 times 6 equals 6, plus 2 equals 8. 8 times 6 equals 48. The answer is 4,884. Okay, it's quite straightforward. If you don't remember the timetable chart, you still need get the chart ready. So next to you, it's always handy until you remember by heart. You don't need any more. Otherwise, just get the chart next to you will be very, very handy. Okay, next, I would like to do some word problems. Last week, their last page, some of the students, we found it's hard. So today we will do something similar one, very similar. Let's do all together and listen carefully, okay? Andy had twice as many stamps as Peter. Mary had 3 times as many stamps as Andy. They had 990 stamps altogether. How many more stamps did Mary have than Peter? Okay, the information is 3 of them had all of the stamps together. Add together is 990. And Peter has 1 portion, 1 unit. Andy had twice more than Peter. Then Mary had 3 times more than Andy. So look at this one. This is for Andy. So Mary had 1 times more, 2 times, 3 times. Okay? 3 times. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4 altogether, right? But Andy had 2, Mary had 2, 4, 6. 6. Now, I know that's 3 of them stamps all added together is 990. And how many units there? I would say 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units. Or if you want, you can say 9 groups, right? So now 9 unit equals 990. Is that right? And so I know 1 unit. We can find out 1 unit equals 110. It's worked out is because 990 divided by 9 equals 110. Okay, now they are asking how many Mary's stamps more than Peter's stamps. So from the diagram, we can see Peter had 1, Mary had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Mary had 5 units more than Peter's. Then now I can know 5 units times 110 equals 550. Right? Now we can write answer. The answer? Mary had 550 stamps more. Okay, clear? Next one. Let's read the question first. There were 4 times as many oranges as apple in a box. Tina took out half of the number of the oranges, and 400 oranges were left in the box. How many oranges and apples were in the box at the first? Okay, look at the diagram. We see the orange had 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times more than apple. So 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. Altogether 5 units, but the orange is half of the orange is 400. So the total of the orange should be 2 times 400. Is that right? Equals 800. So now we know orange is 800. This one is 800. So from now on, we know 4 unit is equals 800. So now 5 unit. For 4 unit equals 800. So 1 unit equals 200. Right? Because 800 divided by 4. Okay? Now 1 unit is equals 200. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 5 units equals 5 times 200. And I found out it is equals 1000. So really, this is the answer of this mark. This question mark is equals 1000. Now, because of the time consuming, we will have a break. And when we're coming back, we continue to write the word answer, okay? Have a nice break.